Did you have a good Monday? I don't think Mondays can ever be good, but we can always end a Monday with a nice DIY project. So this was the one I was considering doing yesterday, and I think I should have done that instead of the pony with the paint, because this one is a little bit more challenging. I had to do some preparation work and you guys will see why. So these are meant to be fridge magnets, and it requires some paint and some drawing skills. So I'm going to show you guys exactly why I did some preparation for this, because I'm not going to make you guys sit through a 2-hour video clip. So let me show you. Here we've got the front of the box. This is Color Day fridge magnets. It contains 10 tiles, 6 colors of paint, 1 paintbrush, I think there should have been more, and then 10 rubber magnets for ages 5 and up. And you know, DIY painting, thinking, that's good for kids, I suppose. And we've got some unicorns again, and at the back we got the different colors, which is your pink, light blue, I think it's purple, yellow, green, and either orange or red, but we will find out. So let me show you guys why I said I had to do some prep work. So you get your paintbrush and you get your paint, and then in here you get the 10 tiles, but I already drew on mine because it does take a while and they recommend you using a pencil, and to get the pencil to stick to the tile, it's a completely different story, but I managed to do it. So let me show you what I did. Color Day tile art magnetic. The child can do or draw whatever they want, or they can use these. I would actually recommend the child using these. If not this, then definitely maybe they can spell out their names or paint their names or whatever, but this requires very fine artwork. And this is what I did. Mr. S.A. Panda toys and a little panda bear. I didn't want to make it too difficult for myself, to be honest. But kids can be really creative. I'm just not that creative or really good at DIY, but I enjoy making these videos though. It relaxes me. So let's start, guys. I think let's start with this guy here. So we are waiting for this to dry. It's a bit of a challenge, I'm not gonna lie, but I must say it was kind of fun. But I've got a brilliant idea. So when this is dry, I'm gonna do something, and then as soon as that's done, I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. So the brilliant idea I had was to put glue around the letters with my hot glue gun. It did not turn out to be a success. I should have just left it white. Final step is just to attach the magnet to the back of the tile, and trust me, it actually does stick to the fridge. Also take note of the way I place the word panda. It's poopa. Sorry about that. So my attempt was a massive fail. Tried something, didn't work, oh well. But if your child can actually do these illustrations or make it look similar, there is some serious talent, and I suggest run with it. Get that kid to an art school. This brand Colourday is more focused on making your child think, obviously while painting, and it is a DIY kit. But I must say it wasn't terrible. I didn't hate it. There was some fun involved, but let's keep this for the experts. A little bit of a fail, but what's new when it comes to me? Until my next video, guys, have a good one.